Welcome back to our channel. I'm here to give you some examples of compound interest. The problem number 1. Nikki deposits 5,000 into a saving account with 7% annual interest rate. Compounded quarterly, how will she have after 9 years? This is the given. Ang present value natin is 5,000 at ang R o rate is 7%. Pag kinonvert sa decimal, yung 7%, ang makukuha natin ay 0.07. At ang time natin, OT, ay 9 years. Since compounded quarterly ito, ang N natin is 4 at ang find natin is F. Let's proceed for the solution for this problem. The given is F, P, parenthesis 1 equal R over N, and NT. F, then ilagay yung present value, parenthesis, then 1.007 over 4, then parenthesis 4 and 9, which is ito yung time and N. F again, then equals 5,000. Hindi muna natin gagalawin yung 5,000. Unahin natin yung naka-parenthesis sa kabila. And then, yung 1 plus 0.007 over 4, ipagpa-plus lang natin. At yun na yung 1.0175. Then yung N at saka T, pagta-times lang natin. 4 times 9. Kaya makukuha mo sagot dito ay 36. Lagyan ng parenthesis. Then proceed sa ibaba. F equals to 5,000. Then 1.867407. Pagta-times nyo ito para makuha ang final answer. And this is the problem number 2. Mika puts 15,000 in a bank account, paying 5% annulment interest compound monthly. At this rate, how much money will be in the account after 8 years? Now, these are the given of solving number 2. Ang P, 15,000. Ang rate, 5%. Pag kinonvert naman natin ito, makukuha natin is 0.05. Then, ang time natin is 8. Ang N is 12. Huwag niyo pong pansinin yung isa pang N, 12. Na doble lang. Then, yung find natin is F. At ang given natin is F equals P, parenthesis 1 plus R, and NT. Now, let's proceed for the solution. F equals 15,000, which is yung present value. Then, parenthesis, then yung 1 plus 0.05 over 12. Then, pagkatapos nito, ilalagay lang natin yung N at T, which is yung 12 and 8. Then, another, F equals 15,000. Tapos, yung 1 sa taas, tsaka yung plus 0.05 over 12. Ito times lang natin ito. Then, makukuha na natin yung sagot, which is another F equals 15,000. 1 plus 0.004167. Then, yung 96, nakuha natin ito dahil ipag-times natin yung 12 at 8, which is yung T and N sa taas. Then, F equals 15,000, 1.004167, parenthesis 96. Then, that's it. Let's finalize the answer. Makukuha natin yung F equals 22,359.